Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, I'm Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. So two things here. Firstly guys, I have completed 1 year in YouTube. My first video was easy Diwali decor ideas and it's Diwali again. You can watch that video by clicking on the card flashing above. So I will start by thanking all my viewers and subscribers for the immense support you guys have shown. I have crossed 65,000 views and 560 subscribers and I feel so happy today. But we need to reach 1000 subscribers soon and I know you guys will support me further. So please share my videos more and more. And secondly, it's Diwali time again and so much to do. Cleaning, decoration, rangoli and lots of celebrations. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a very easy rangoli ideas which can be made in 10 to 15 minutes. And trust me, you don't need any rangoli making skill for that. So let's start. To make this rangoli, I have taken rangoli colors. This one can be made with abir or gulal colors too. Further, we'll need a strainer, matchsticks and a cotton swab. Now to make the rangoli, start by making abstract pattern with the colors. So we take a color in the strainer and dust it on the surface for the even texture. Make sure to make a slightly thick layer of the colors. And repeat with the other colors. Forming a random shape. Now when you are done, use your index finger to design your rangoli. This is how I am doing. Now with the white color, I'll be making small mountains here. Use the cotton bud to make the hole in between these. Fill it up with any color. Now you can use matchsticks or cotton swab to make this kind of detail. And that's it. Light the diyas around and you are good to go. I have made the similar design with the abir or gulal colors and this looks equally beautiful. So friends, I believe this is the easiest form of rangoli for people like me who are not very good with rangoli making and can be made in no time. So recreate this rangoli this Diwali and share the pictures with me on my social media handles. All the links are given in the description box below. And guys, I'll be coming back with one more video on Diwali decorations next weekend. So stay tuned. Bye for now, and as I always say, do it yourself.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.